In this video, we are going to run Pocket Option Auto Trader on a small time frame. Let's set a target of $350. Let's see how fast we reach it. And if you want this binary option robot yourself, you find link below the video. Completely for free.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots, if they wanna just walk, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Was ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend, is scared. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure.
And there we got it. We got a 71% win rate with 5 wins and 2 losses with the alligator strategy. It's actually one of my favorites. I have not used it so much in my videos, but I really like this one. And it might work good with 30 seconds. This is the first time I tried with 30 seconds because I really start to like the time of line of 30 seconds. So I will test this one more. And this time around I did take opposite because it's better because of this strategy. Often he takes trades when you feel it's low and you maybe want to take the other way. If you then are correct, he will think about it after. So I like that. So by the way, we made our $350 target with this strategy. So with that, an amazing day, and remember, link below the video if you want this binary option robot yourself completely for free. Have an amazing day.